Alrighty, so today we're going to be looking at the Salvia greggii flower. It has the common name autumn sage, and right off the bat we can tell it is zygomorphic because it has one plane of symmetry, as opposed to actinomorphic, which is radially symmetrical. We also know that this flower is perfect because it has both male and female reproductive parts. And so when we take a closer look, so here's the flower, we can see it has two petals. It has a singular sepal, which actually has 3 lobes on it. We have the stamen, which is the male reproductive system, and that is the anther, which is the tip. It almost looks like a grain of rice. And that is what produces the pollen, which are the male gametes. And then the stalk-like structure is the filament. The filament is responsible for pushing the anther up closer to the top of the flower so it can more easily self-pollinate as well as cross-pollinate. And so then when we look at the carpel, or sometimes called pistil, which is the female reproductive system, this stalk-like structure is the style, which connects the stigma to the ovary. And the stigma is a sticky platform, which is where pollen is taken in to the ovary. Now the ovary is what houses the female gametes, which are the ovules. Now when we're just looking at this flower, it is hard to distinguish if it is a monocot or a dicot because it has 2 petals and 1 sepal, which don't fit into either monocot or dicot like classification criteria. But it also has parallel venation, which usually characterizes it as a monocot. But when we look at the taxonomy, it's part of the class Magnoliaceae, which only contains dicots. So the autumn sage is a dicot. Thank you.